So for this sketch, the all of the layers I thought added so much dimension to the page, but when I went to put my icicle chain on the photo, I wanted it to just hang right kind of off the top of the photo. So you could see a little of the mat behind, but this was hanging off the photo. But it really kind of blended in, I thought. So I thought foam squares would really help to make it pop off the page. So I took my, I had two 4x6 mats, so I took my 12-inch Border Maker strip and just cut it in half, measured it, cut it in half, and then took the foam squares and just added them to my border. And I learned a little trick from one of my customers last weekend, that when you have a foam square that doesn't fit where the space isn't big enough, that our new micro scissors are perfect for cutting the foam squares in half and getting you a nice little one to just fit right where you need it to be. I'm going to rescue my other half and put that one right there. So then, once I peeled the backs off, I could just adhere this to my photo, right, so that part of the mat was showing, but it covered up the top edge of the photo, and it looked like the icicle was hanging right over the top of the photo. There you go. And then I'm going to use foam squares to add my embellishments elsewhere on the page and let the whole thing come to life. And I loved how the shimmer worked with, the shimmer paper worked with the gold in the embellishments to really add a lot of dimension to this whole page. So I hope you have fun with your sketch, and I can't wait to see your pictures in the blog.